What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is part 4 of the $425 Rare Classic Mercedes. If you're not aware, in part 1 we got the car delivered. In part 2 we looked over it and we took it for a test drive. In part 3 we fixed everything mechanically wrong with it. And in this part we are going to detail it, clean the interior. So we're going to make it look as best as we can. The interior can use a good clean and a detailing. Yeah, so we're gonna get this as clean as possible. I got some new floor mats, I got some seat covers. We're gonna get those in and we're gonna make it look as best as we can. Okay, so we're gonna start on the interior. I got my vacuum ready and I am all ready to start working on the interior, so let's get that cleaned up. Okay, so I got the interior as clean as possible. For that seat, these seats are very hard to find. This one looks good. These seats are very hard to find. So I got some seat covers, so I'm gonna throw these on and let's see how they look. And there it is. That's how they look. I think they look pretty good, considering all the tears that we had in that seat. And in the summer, these helps a lot, because in the summer the sun hits the leather and it just burns. So this is, I actually really like them. So I think we are good there. Okay, and I also have some matching new floor mats, beige color. These are going to be the final piece for the interior. So let's throw them on and take a look at the final result. Okay, I'll finish off by replacing these orange blinkers with these beautiful Euro Spec blinkers. And all you have to do, pinch this and push it out, and it should come right out. So we'll see how that goes. Pinching it, pushing it, right, see that? Wow, that was awesome. That's it. I'm gonna clean up in here a bit. Grab this. So these two have to slide in here in the headlight bezel. There it is. And that's it for today's video. I think the interior turned out really nice. I mean, look at these door panels. Super cool. Look at the interior. These seat covers turned out really nice. I did some fixes there. I glued some stuff just to kind of keep them from getting worse. And the floor mat. The dash is in really good shape. I really love how these old Mercedes, the design of these old Mercedes is just so nice. And yeah, that's gonna sum today's video. The interior is ready to go. Yeah, and that is it for today's video. I hope this video was entertaining to you. If it was, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.